In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment card on Google Chrome. The process is simple, and once you've set everything up, it makes online purchases a breeze. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. If it's not your default browser, you can find and open it from your applications. Once Chrome is up and running, move your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that. This is commonly referred to as the More or Menu button, and it houses a variety of options that allow you to customize your browsing experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, you will want to select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area for Chrome. Here, you're able to tweak and adjust a multitude of settings, from privacy options to advanced technical settings. Today, though, we're just focusing on setting up a payment card. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar. Choose the option labeled Autofill and Passwords. This section helps you manage saved autofill entries and passwords that enhance your web navigation by filling in requested fields automatically. Once you're in the correct section, look for an option that says Payment Methods and click it. This is where all of your financial information that is saved for quicker transactions lives. It will list any current payment methods you've already entered. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty. Now you should see a button or a link labeled Add Payment Method. Clicking this will open a form for you to input your card details. Here, you'll have fields to input your card number, expiration date, and the all-important CVC or security code. As you fill these in, double-check to ensure you've entered them correctly. Mistakes here could lead to potential delays or issues during future transactions. Once you've filled in all the required information, the final step is to click the Save button. This confirms and stores your payment card information securely so Chrome can retrieve it to smoothen online payment processes. And there you have it. Your payment card is now set up within Google Chrome. By having it saved, you're all set to make online shopping more efficient and less time-consuming. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to rewind if you need a refresher on any steps or if you'd like to hear it again. Thanks for watching and happy surfing.